Good morning, viewers. We have a very honorable person in the house, but I won't be able to introduce him. I would like him to do that by himself. So, Honorable, can you tell us about you?
Oh, the name is Kofi Akpaloo, the next president of Ghana. A man who was born on the 16th of October 1970, and to Mr. Kofi Akpaloo, popularly known as Kolala, from Manako in the Volta region. And also Mary Wami, who is from Asin, Asamankesi, and also Filiasi in Ashanti. I grew up in Kumasi, and I went to school in Kumasi, New Mission International, as a Miss Experimental Rugby, Hands-on Rugby, and then also the Kumasi Academy, secondary school, secondary school. I've also been with IMS, Institute of Learning Studies, now UCOM, and then IPS, Institute of Professional Studies. I've also been to schools in UK, that's the Ewenyigba College of Accountancy, Southbank University, and W University. I'm a chartered certified accountant, a fellow of the ACCA, a businessman, and also a statesman. A married man with 6 wonderful kids.
Honorable, our politics in Ghana has become one way to the extent that from the people of Ghana, it's like it has turned to family affairs, family and friends. So how sure are you that when the people of Ghana give you the mandate, you will not be able to go that one way or that direction?
Oh, you see, I think it's always a mistake for everybody to assume that when a politician comes to power, it's going to be family and friends. You know, when you start this political journey, it definitely is going to be your friends and your family people who believe in you. If your family people who doesn't believe in you, how do you expect outsiders to believe in you? So, I mean, I get it. Like, when I hear those things, it's like funny in my ears. Because when I started this, I mean, my family people have been contributing their time, their resources, and everything, my friends. We are the first point of contact that you go to and ask them for help when you need help. You understand? So, definitely, when they sacrifice that time and their livelihood with you to get to wherever you are going, you can't just turn your back to them. So sometimes I don't understand, if they are capable and then they can deliver, why should you deny them? Okay? You see, so I don't get it. I don't get it. Yes, we are hypocrites in Ghana and we don't tell the truth. That is why we do so much on pettiness. Yeah.
Okay. And even our educational system, it's no longer like those days. Everything has changed. You know, people will go to school, at the end of the day, they will come back and sit in a house. We don't encourage vocational schools or vocational institutions. There is no proper industrialization. So everybody have this perception, I want to go to school and then come back and then get a better job. So how sure are you that when you come, you'll be able to work in this area of education?
Oh yeah, you see, it's a matter of having people to believe in themselves and then also supporting those who are trying to do something on their own. You see, if somebody, is trying to do medicine or maybe doing carpentry or doing whatever, the end result is that what sort of carpentry are you building? If you are building carpentry to turn it into something in a commercial stuff, then the person must receive the necessary funding and support to be able to carry on with that. You know, if the person is going to dressmaking, what sort of dressmaking is he learning to do in the future? The person, there should be a support there for the person that when you learn that trade, at the end of the day, you be given the necessary support to start your own big business. You get the machines, you get equipment, you get the necessary working capital to go into that business. And then when people get to know that, oh, if you learn this, you can turn it into a very big business. Instead of importing clothing into Ghana, you rather import maybe raw materials to turn them into finished products. People will have the love and the joy to go into that field. And then those who are also doing marketing, accounting, insurance, mechanical engineering, whatsoever, will also have a better future, because knowing that if these industries are springing up, they also have a place to work. Okay, so we have to create millionaires, we have to create entrepreneurs. So when you say vocational education, vocational education is what? You have to have the zeal and the feeling that when I finish this, or when I get myself into this, there's already available support for me to take it further. That's what we have to look at, not setting up vocational institution, vocational school, and then you come out and then you have to go and buy a machine to go and start working under somebody as an apprentice or whatever. I mean, there should be a proper planning, such that those who are coming out from technical institutions, coming out from vocational institutions, and then there should be entrepreneurship courses attached and linked to that, so that they can turn them into big businesses and create jobs and create work for us. That is exactly what LPD is going to do. But those who want to go and learn from others, like apprenticeship, we will pay you all the necessary expenses. The government will support that, give you stipends for your day expenditure. We are going to support you to do that. So we will encourage people to go into apprenticeship, but the end result is that we're going to support them if they want to go into their own business. They will be ready available funding and resources to enable them to carry on further.
And I know it's rather unfortunate that we are in election year, and then this COVID has come in and then created fear in people, that has locked down businesses. So, and even as at a time like this, many people are afraid to come out. So during the campaign, how are you coping? Or how are you going about your campaign strategies, your message in a time like this?
I mean, I'm not the only person who is going through this. All the political parties, they are all going through the same thing. So it's like we're all on the same level, okay? I mean, nobody's getting advantage over any other. So it's a matter of reaching people on social media, through social media. We should reach the people. It's more to do with one-on-one campaign than to do the normal rallies. Maybe this one will make it more cheaper than the normal big rallies, because the big rallies have to bring the people from all over the country to assemble them at one point, and then buy t-shirts, flamboyants, jamboree, a whole lot. I mean, unnecessary expenses. So by with this, you can reach so many people at a time through WhatsApp, Twitter, and then Facebooking and Instagram. So I think this one will even lessen the burden on political parties.
So, the Honorable, do you think Ghanaians are ready to go with you as their choice?
Because they don't have any choice. They don't have any other. Apart from LPG, apart from Kofi Akpaloo, most Ghanaians are not ready to vote. They've made their mind that they were not going to vote. But after they realize that coming in with good ideas, they decided to join the wagon and vote for Kofi Akpaloo. So people are campaigning all over the country without even knowing that these people are campaigning for me. Everywhere, not only in Ghana, across the board, people are campaigning for me. So we will win the elections. Therefore, winning the election is not a big deal, because it's done, we've done it already. Spiritually, it's done. And what is left is the physical. But on the 7th of December, you will see the actual turnout, and then you see that, wow. I mean, it shouldn't be made to me. I wouldn't be surprised, because I know I've won the elections.
Viewers, thank you for your time. It has been a time with Honorable Mr. Kofi Akpaloo, the flag bearer of LPG.